If you're feeling lost, stuck, or you're falling behind in life, you're not alone. I've been there too. And the worst part is, you don't even know where to start. You just keep scrolling, comparing yourself to everyone else. And slowly, you start believing that maybe you're just not meant to figure it out. But that's not true. Sometimes all it takes is a few simple changes. Things that feel small, but shift everything over time. So today I want to share 3 powerful habits that help me reset my life, refocus, and start building real momentum, even when I didn't feel motivated at all. Hey, I'm Ali, and I make videos about self-discipline, digital tools, and building better version of yourself, one small step at a time. If that sounds like something you need right now, consider subscribing, and let's get into it. Number 1, start small and stay consistent. When you feel lost, your brain craves control. So we try to fix everything at once. A new schedule, new habits, 10 goals, new mindset. It sounds all good, but usually leads to overwhelm and burnout. What changed for me was realizing that consistency beats intensity. I stopped trying to change my life in one day, and instead I picked one tiny habit to do every day, no matter what. For me, it started with journaling in the morning. Not for an hour, just 5 minutes. That gave me a sense of control again. It created space to think clearly. So you need to ask yourself this. What's one habit that feels so small you can't fail? Then show up for it every day, especially when you don't feel like it. That's how momentum is built. Number 2, control what you feed your mind. You wouldn't eat junk food every day and expect to feel amazing. But we do that with our minds all the time. When I felt lost, I was constantly watching content that made me feel behind. Highlight reels, luxury lifestyle, hustle culture videos, and all it did was create pressure and self-doubt. So I started filtering what I allowed into my mind. I followed creators who were real about their struggles. I listened to podcasts that helped me focus. I switched from endless YouTube loops to listening to audiobooks on my walks. It wasn't about motivation. It was about clarity. Your mental diet matters more than you think. Consume content that teaches you, calms you, and challenges you to grow, not content that just makes you feel behind. And number 3, track something daily. When life feels chaotic, tracking brings structure. It gives you proof that you're not just lost as you think. I started tracking just a few things: my sleep, my habits, and how focused I felt each day. Nothing fancy, just a small table in Notion. But it helped me see patterns I didn't notice before. Like, I'm not lazy, I just didn't sleep enough. Or, I'm not consistent, I'm just trying to do too much. You can't fix what you don't measure. Even a basic checklist can give you momentum. And when you track progress, even tiny progress, you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Feeling lost is not a failure. It's just your brain telling you it needs direction. You don't need a 5-year plan right now. You just need to do something small every day that reminds you of who you are. So start with one habit. Filter what you feed your mind and track your effort, not just your results. Because you're not behind, you're just building. And if you're building, you are already on the right path. So if this video helped you, leave a comment below and let me know which of the 3 changes you're going to start with. And if you're on that journey of self-discipline, digital balance, and quiet progress, hit that subscribe, and I've got more videos coming your way.